Tech startup Yulo Motors is eyeing extensive local manufacturing of components for its cargo e-electric three-wheelers. The company is focused in bringing 3 and 4-wheelers light commercial vehicles for cargo and passenger requirements in India. Tech startup Yulo Motors is eyeing extensive local manufacturing of components. The company's plan includes battery pack for its cargo electric three-wheelers. Having already invested in an R&D setup and battery manufacturing unit at Okhla Industrial Area in Delhi, the company is looking at a considerable local action in hardware and software development. Working towards launching a cargo e-3-wheelers to grab a large share in the zero-emission last-mile cargo segment, the company is currently sourcing some key components from abroad. The company is keen to reduce its reliance on globally sourced components as scales pick up and local component infrastructure rises. It has been rapidly developing indigenous lithium-ion battery and recruiting skilled workforce. Working towards becoming an end-to-end solution provider, the company is gaining experience in the area of hardware and software as far as components like powertrain control system, battery and thermal management system and telematics are considered. Aiming to set up an efficient supply chain in line with government's push for Make in India, Yulo Motors is looking at introducing its cargo e-3-wheelers early next year. It is already in discussion with potential clients. With an emphasis on data-driven approach, the company is operating around 130 version 1 prototype electric cargo vehicle in the NCR region. It has a vehicle assembly chassis and powertrain development system set up at Faridabad. It has ordered nearly 1,000 vehicles from Big Basket, Ecom Express, Blue Dart and Udaan. Among others, the tech startup is confident of changing the rules of the game in last mile cargo connectivity by providing higher efficiency and productivity. Beginning operation in 2018, Yulo Motors is fine-tuning the performance and improvising efficiencies by deploying 300 additional charging stations by the end of this year, making a 5.76 kWh lithium-ion battery pack for its vehicle. The company has raised Rs 13.81 crores from investors like Bloom Ventures, Emergent Ventures and Andrew Lee. It is chalking out an expansion plan with talk of 4 other cities in the country. Trying up the loose end to begin the commercial operation of its cargo e-3-wheelers, Yulo Motors is working on extending the range of its version 1, which is at 80 to 100 km on a single charge. The maximum load carrying capacity of the vehicle is 500 kgs. The key focus remains on building automotive-grade lithium-ion battery pack that could deliver superior range required for intra-city logistics in all weather conditions. The company is looking at a significant local play to ramp up the scale and lower the cost. It is aware of being a highly disruptive work environment. This created battery and upcoming innovation in light commercial vehicle are expected to set the industry standard. Electric cargo three-wheelers will find wider acceptance with e-commerce players, logistics providers and independent fleet owners. Hoping that the next stage would be about automation and connectivity, Yulo Motors has chosen Bloom to do business with them since they understood the TCO expectation of such vehicle users. To better sync demand and supply, Yulo Motors is accumulating data that would help shape up its software side of the business to better understand the need of its client. It would also provide the needed inputs to scale up the TCO equation even as it looks at the key parameters quality, performance and price. The company is counting on the fact that success depends on the availability of skilled manpower. The company is addressing infrastructural challenges with the development of in-house competence and R&D operations. Striving to integrate technologies like telematics, IoT and GPS to empower safe and secure operations, the company is working on reducing vehicle rollout time against a typical product life cycle of 5 years from conceptualization to final product rolling out of the assembly line. The company is looking at bringing down to about 2 years. Working on the ability to provide charging stations in the NCR region to all business partners, Yulo Motors is factoring its operation condition and the need to efficient support. It has partnered with professionals who impact training to drivers for electric vehicles and also provide technical know-how to service such vehicles. The company is leveraging the fact that it has fewer responsibilities to carry as a tech startup. Focusing on better integration of technology, Yulo Motors is solely concentrating on the cargo side of e-3-wheelers business as of now. Looking at building the battery pack from ground up, the startup is striving to achieve high efficiency and agility for a sustainable last mile transport. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Do subscribe to YouTube channel for more amazing updates.